Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how to get free Pandabuy shipping, and you guys don't want to go ahead and miss out on this video because you guys know how expensive Pandabuy shipping is. But what's not expensive is actually subscribing to the channel, and it's literally free, so why don't you go ahead and do it, and you'll go ahead and get valuable videos inside of your subscription box. But anyways, let's go to jump right into it. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is click the link down in the description below. It's very important that you guys go ahead and use that link because you'll actually get a discount and a bunch of different coupons that could literally give you guys your first haul for 100% free. And that's pretty much what I was able to go ahead and do, and you can keep doing this method over and over again, so I highly recommend using that special link down in the description below. Once you guys have all your items and they have arrived at the warehouse, you guys are definitely want to go ahead and do rehearsal shipping. So basically what this goes ahead and does is it gets you an accurate volume and weight. So obviously putting in numbers doesn't really give you something that's accurate and an accurate weight, so you're going to be paying a little bit extra, but you will have to go ahead and purchase rehearsal shipping, but it's going to save you guys a lot in the long run. So if you guys are willing to wait, you guys could actually use rehearsal shipping. Heading over to the wallet section, you can see that all of these can be used on different types of shipping, so they have a bunch of different weights. All of these have expired though because I haven't gotten a chance to use them, but what's great about this is you can simply click the link down in the description below, make a brand new account, and all the coupons are going to be there. So all you got to go ahead and do is ship out your package with these coupons and you'll save a pretty good amount. As you can see, we do have a 50 yuan shipping coupon right here that could actually save us around $7.50, which is actually really helpful. And I highly recommend taking advantage of these, and if you guys are actually splitting up your packages, you can actually save money that way as well, just by using a bunch of these coupons. The next thing I do want to recommend is you need to make sure that you're reviewing every single parcel that you get. You can actually get a really good discount on shipping, and your shipping could be literally free. So typically shipping doesn't cost any more than, let's say, $150. Reviewing your parcel will give you guys a pretty decent discount just by actually posting up a YouTube video about your package and the items that came inside, or you can also post about it on TikTok, and based on your effort, so let's say you did like a Reddit post of a few images, they'll probably give you $5 to $10. But if you go ahead and do a YouTube video that gets significant traffic, then you can easily get a really big discount of $200. They'll go ahead and add it to your Pandabuy balance and you can easily cash it out, or you could actually spend it on more items. So I highly recommend reviewing your products. This is the method that I know to go ahead and get free items over and over again and free shipping. It's basically like Pandabuy giving you free money just for showing off your products, and who doesn't like free money? The next tip to go ahead and save money on packages is to pick the right shipping line. So a lot of people are picking the most expensive shipping line. Maybe they're picking like HK, UPS, or FedEx, and that's where people are typically going wrong, because if you just wait a little bit longer, you can actually get a pretty good discount when it comes down to Pandabuy and actually shipping out your items. So it is highly advised that you go ahead and pick cheaper shipping lines. Let's say for instance GDEMS, that's a pretty good one that I typically ship out with. It does take around 20 days, so it's kind of slower, but I do recommend it. Or if you're not really in a rush, you could easily use SAL if you have a heavy package. I do recommend SAL because it will actually arrive within 30 to 40 days, and if you're willing to wait, you can save a whole lot of money. And speaking of weight requirements, obviously SAL does require a minimum of 12 kg, so something to go ahead and keep in mind, but I do recommend taking out the shoe boxes if you guys are looking to save money in any of the packaging. So there's a lot of options to go ahead and save on weight. You could easily get rid of the packaging inside. There's actually like options when you go ahead and actually try to ship things out. They'll actually go ahead and let you choose what you want, and you could actually save so much because the shoe boxes is pretty much so heavy and it will go ahead and add a lot of weight onto your package. The next method to go ahead and get free shipping on Pandabuy is to simply head over to Adapole, and Adapole is basically a paid survey app that I have been using for a while, and it has gotten me enough money to pay for hauls, which is kind of insane when you think about it. It is the highest paid survey app out there. Simply go ahead and open the app, and in, you want to head over to the section where it does say enter referral code all the way over here, and you want to type in the code dbfcm. That code will be giving you guys a free 50 cents, and who doesn't like free money? It will also ask you when you guys are first signing up for the app, so you guys can go and type it in there. A lot of my subscribers really enjoy it, and you can see that I have made a pretty decent amount of money just by completing surveys. I've just cashed out around like $80, $40 here and there, and it's actually a pretty good experience, and I highly recommend it. And once you guys are ready to go ahead and cash out, you guys can go ahead and use PayPal, gift cards, or even Revolut if you guys prefer that. But personally, I like using PayPal because anybody can go ahead and receive PayPal, and you can use it directly on Pandabuy. And if you're feeling nice, you can also donate it to charity, but we're here to go and save money on shipping. For the next app, it's going to be Eureka, and a lot of my subscribers really enjoy using this app to earn a little bit of side cash, and a lot of them have reported that they've been using it for Pandabuy, which was kind of shocking, but it's honestly not surprising because I know I made a decent amount of money off of Eureka. Heading over to the referrals tab, you want to type in the code GUDW4I, and that code is going to go ahead and give you guys a free $1 survey when you guys first sign up. So it is highly advised that you go ahead and put it in so you can easily make a little bit of money. And I do want to be 100% transparent that I do earn a little bit off of these, but it's not a crazy amount, and I wouldn't recommend you guys something that I personally do not use. But right over here, we actually do have the gift card section and the rewards, so you can cash out the PayPal, Visa gift cards, or even a bank transfer, and those are the ones that you're looking for if you want to use it directly on Pandabuy. And they do have a $5 minimum cash out, so keep that in mind, compared to Adapol's minimum cash out on PayPal, which is only $3. But I'm pretty sure if you guys are looking to go ahead and use this to go ahead and earn extra money for hauls, then this is probably the best way to go ahead and do it, because you'll easily get enough money to go ahead and purchase your next haul. So the next method is to enter Pandabuy's official giveaways. Typically, if you go ahead and join their Discord, you could easily find that they're always giving away some type of haul, some type of item, and it is highly advised that you enter in them because you don't really lose anything, and you could actually be picked. There's a bunch of other YouTubers and TikTokers that do giveaways as well, so it is highly advised that you try to enter and see if you guys can go ahead and test your chances to win. Keep in mind that some YouTubers are just not legit, so you may actually not win, and they just may be scammers. But that's why I recommend actually entering into Pandabuy's official giveaways, because you can easily get free shipping that way, and they're giving upwards of 10 kilograms, 20 kilograms to a bunch of different people. I believe like 5 to 10 winners at a time, so you definitely have a good chance. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we're able to go ahead and get free shipping on Pandabuy. These are all the methods that I know, and hopefully this has helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys next time for the next video on Shift Free Reviews.